Hello, this is Susan Poss. This is a system of equations that one of my students sent to me. Two variables, two equations, and we are instructed to solve this by adding/eliminate method. So I'm going to decide here, I can either decide to eliminate the x variables or the y variables, and I think it's going to be easier for me to work here to try to eliminate the variable y, because I'm noticing that I have a positive 3y on the top equation, or equation number 1, and on equation number 2 I have a positive 6y. So if I could take this top equation and turn this into a negative 6y and keep this positive 6y, then when I add down the column I could successfully eliminate the variable y. So in order to get from here to here, looks like I need to multiply equation number 1 by negative 2. So here I go. Here's equation number 1. I'm going to multiply it by negative 2, which is going to give me a negative 18x, the negative 6y that I was hoping for, and negative 30 over there in the constant column. And I'm not going to do anything at all to equation number 2. And I'm going to draw my line, and I'm going to add down columns. So as I add down the x column, I get negative 24x. Adding down the y column, just as I had hoped, I got a 0y, and I'm just going to leave that spot vacant. And adding down the constant column, I get negative 24. So dividing each side by negative 24 in order to isolate the variable x, I have x equals positive 1. Okay, so I now know that this is a one solution example. The x value is 1, and now I just need to go back and figure out what this missing y value is. In order to do that, I back substitute, and I can go either to equation 1 or equation 2, and I guess I'll just go back to equation number 1. And everywhere I see an x. Oops, did you hear my kitty cat? I'm going to replace that x with a positive 1. All right, so here I have 9 plus 3y equals 15. I'm going to subtract 9 from both sides, which gives me on the left side positive 3y, and on the right side positive 6, and dividing each side by 3 in order to get the y by itself as a positive 1y. I get y is equal to 2. So my one solution has an x coordinate of 1, or an x value of 1, and a y value of 2. Hope this helps, D.